Hello, traders community. Hope you are doing very well and hope you have enjoyed your beautiful weekends. Today we will be discussing about the paper trading for the beginners, which can help you to increase your trading accuracy. So without any wasting any time, let's get to the point. So key takeaway from this video, you will be understanding the basic understanding of paper trading, challenges faced by the beginners, and role of paper trading in the trading industry, and two best websites for the paper trading. Now let's understand what is paper trading. Paper trading is trading without using your real money. So why? It can help you for developing your trading skills. It can practice it can help you to backtest without using your real money. It is very crucial step for the beginners, as I have already mentioned before that. First you have to develop a strategy, and before implementing in the real market, what you can do is you can do back testing or do paper trading, and so that after having accuracy of 60 to 70% of your strategies, then you can use your real capital money and trade in the real life trading. In any field, as you have seen that in professional field, even the doctor, lawyer, even the engineers, whatever, even surgeons, what they have is they have somewhat like field experience of job training. So paper trading is somewhat like having a job training, making it that you can practice it your own without using any real things. So challenges, there are many challenges faced by the beginners trader. Number one is that lack of experience, because people are new in the market, so they face challenges in decision making, when to entry and when to exit, where to put the stop loss, how to trail their stop loss. So it will be leading to more emotional response to the market fluctuation, because they are very new and their psychology has not developed. So they fear when the market moves in the volatile way. Also, the risk management, difficulty in understanding and implementing of the entry and exit strategy, stop loss implementation, and fear of losing real money. So that's why I think that paper trading will be helping to develop a skill in the trading. Experience building, it helps to build your experience, opportunity to practice your strategies, that whether your strategies is working or not, without losing your capital. So you can learn without the financial risks. It's just like a job training or internship. Also, it can help in the risk management practice. Implement and refine risk management techniques. What you can do is you can develop your strategies, and you can implement those strategies with help of paper trading to improve your accuracy. It can also help you to control emotion, especially discipline, which is very important in the trading. Now let's go and let's see the two best websites where you can do the paper trading. I find those two best websites, and I will be teaching you step by step guide. So number one website is TradingView, as you have already been using that website. If not, I will drop the link under this video description, so you can go there and sign up. It is totally free. It's user-friendly interface. You are accessible to various market and asset in the world. You can go for global markets also, even Japan currency trading, forex trading, cryptocurrency, Indian market, USA market, or all the indexes you can find here with free of course. So you can start doing this. So let's get into this website. Okay, we are into it. Now what we will do is we will look for the BTC trading. Yeah, here it goes. Now here what you can do, you can go to trading panel and maximize it. Here you can see the paper trading. Click on it and just connect with it. If you feel difficult to understand, please rewind the video and watch again and again so that you can understand more. Okay, now what you can do is you can minimize it. Here you can see I already have in my trading. So what you can do is you can click on the right hand side. Here you find the trade. Then you can click on the buy. You can use market price when the market price is on, then you can buy at the same price with the fluctuation. If you want to put your own price, you can put here. You can put the stop loss, you can put the stop loss. Let's say I wanted to buy this at the market price 1 Bitcoin. I'll keep my target. What I'll do is I'll punch this thing order. I'll keep my market price and I'll keep the stop loss below this, which is 42,860 as my stop loss. 860 as your stop loss. Then buying price in buying target, what you do is you put 1041 is automatically coming here. Then you can place buy options. So now order has been placed. Now what you can do is you can watch it. Okay, now if you want to put market price, you can put here market price, your own price. Let's say I wanted to buy at 42,900. And you put your own quantity. Let's say I wanted to buy 2 Bitcoin. Put the same target, 49. Then you can put your own stop loss, 60. Now you can place the order. See, now you have got your order also. But this way now if you want to exit it, what you can do is you can click here, you can modify, or if you want to exit, what you can do is what you can do is you can click here. If you want to exit, close position, you can click here. If you want to close your own position, you can click here. If you want to partial, then what you can do is you can click here and partially close. So now you have closed your position. Now again, if you want to see your details, what you can do is you can maximize this. You can check here your history, account history. So you have on this exited, I have made some loss. You can see everything in detail. If you have any pending, then you can see here one stop loss and target order is on pending. You can see if you have any position. I have 2 positions in here. You can check the profit and then account. Like this, you can do it. So this is for the trading view. Now let's go to the other website, especially for the Indian market. It is very user friendly. And another one is the best website I find is twinkle.com. So it is an Indian market for the Indian market, FNO trading, real-time market. You can get data. In TradingView, you can't do any option trading, FNO trading. You can only trade on the spot. But in this website, what you can do is you can trade FNO using the real-time data. So I'll click on this website. Here you can see it has already been locked here. What you can do is, in here they will provide you around 12 lakhs of money as a capital. You can use this and see whether you are making profit or not, how your strategy is working. You can do retest. What you can do is you can open the trading option. If you want to buy options, then what you can do is you can put here. So you can go to option price, choose your anything spot prices, and you can add deposit. If you want to sell, you can put sell, add position. I think we will discuss in the live trading tomorrow. And if you execute, then market is closed. So today it is not showing. I think we will do a real-time market live trading, and I will upload the video. So here you can add the watch list. Even if you can add the futures also, let's check. Can we add future? No, you can do only options at the moment. I'll make a detailed video regarding it and I will upload to my channel. So these are the two websites where you can do paper trading. I think these two are best. And there is another website also, Sensible Bull, but it only allows for the Zerodha and Angel One for the trading in Indian stock market. But this website is totally free. You can sign up free at free of cost. So now backtesting is very important. What you do is, I have shown you the two websites. Now what you do is you develop your own 1 or 2 strategies, backtest on this paper with help of paper trading in these two websites for more than 100 times. If it has an accuracy of 60 to 70% winning rate, then you can use the real capital and do the trading. It will help you more. It will make you more disciplined. It can help you develop your psychology or mentality mindset for the trading. Also, it will help us to use the risk management. Use always stop loss while practicing, and make strict position to that. Don't move here and there. Just stick to it. And you can adjust position as per your capital, the amount you want to start with your trading. Use that much capital, but in Trinker.com they will provide you around 12 lakhs. You can start with that amount. And in TradingView they are allowing you to have $1 lakh, so you can start with that amount. Always calculate your risk before trading. So start from the paper trading, implementing your disciplinary and risk management strategies with your trading strategy. The key points that you have learned from this video is the meaning of what is paper trading, understanding the advantage, disadvantage of paper trading, challenges faced by beginner in the market, how paper trading can solve those issues, best two websites, TradingView and Trinker.com, and do your backtesting with help of this paper trading. So please do learn, practice, improve your trading skills so that you will be profitable and you can sustain in the market. Thank you for your time. If you have not liked this, if you find this video very valuable, please do like it and share with others. Thank you for your time once again, and have a happy and successful trading sessions in the coming days. Goodbye.